Hello once again everyone, and welcome back. This time around, I'm going to be doing a little tutorial thingy. Well, very brief and minimalistic tutorial, but still one at the least. The reason for this being because one of my friends, who I pronounce Kaaz, that's very likely wrong, was wanting to know how I did a thing, so I'm going to show how to do a thing. Okay, so Kaaz was wondering how I did an animation thing, so I'm going to be showing how to do the thingy. So I use this for the little animations I do on the channel, or profile, you get the idea, the gallery. But yeah, gifmaker.me, or me. So, how do I do the wiggly line? This is how I do it. You take images, and you insert them. Now you have 3 images. Now to get back to square one, since there's only 3, you put in 2 again. That way, when it loops, it does that. But as you notice, this is too slow. To remedy this, we make it faster. This, I think, is good enough. So that's really as basic as that. You'll just draw the same image many times over each other, with the slight differences making a wiggly effect. Then you smash them all together to make a thingy. So yeah, I hope that helped, and tutorial over! Whee!